put my foot on the gas. Take off. I cannot let these boys pass me. Make a move in the seat.
Y'all hear that? Luke, aka Grandma Misses Y'all. I want y'all to understand at the end of the day, we got a crisis going on, but I love each and every one of y'all. I want y'all to stimulate your mind, pick up a book, drink some water, wash your hands, don't touch your face, and make sure you understand at the end of the day, think before you react, and always understand that an Excel middle year student is always a... Y'all hear that?
Ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are staying happy and healthy. We'll see you all soon. Miss you all.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Jacobs here. It's been a while since we've seen you guys and we miss you tremendously. I hope that you guys are taking this time to take care of yourselves mentally and physically. I hope you guys are staying in the house as requested. And if you are going through a rough patch during this time, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Most of you have my number, or reach out to any admin. Again, we miss you guys and we hope
Steve, you ready? Mr. Johnson, are you ready?
I know I can be what I want to be. If I work hard at it, I'll be where I want to be.
Miss Ali here. I hope you guys are staying safe during this time, exercising your brains, reading books, doing anything educational, maybe even a project that we assigned to you guys, something. But I miss you all. I hope you guys are really, really, really staying safe. It's very important. Hope to see you guys soon. Hopefully they let us back in school soon so we can finish up the school year the right way. Okay? So, talk to you guys soon. I'm out.
Hey everyone, hope y'all doing well. We at the EMYA staff, we're hoping that y'all are staying inside, keeping yourselves healthy and clean, and also helping out your families in the house. Please make sure y'all doing the assignment, and just know that we care and we are all thinking about y'all.
EMYA, how we doing? It's Mr. Price here. I hope you guys are being safe during this time. I hope we're practicing good social distancing. You all and your families are in our best interest and in our hearts. Hope you guys are doing well and holding up during this time. With that being said, I hope we're putting the best practices in order so we do not contract this virus, all right? Make sure you guys are washing your hands, right? Make sure you guys are sanitizing, before and after you eat, before and after you leave the house, before and after you play the game, no matter what. Do not take this thing lightly, all right? I want to all see you guys back in my classroom, getting on my nerves as much as we all love you, all right? So, with that being said, I hope you guys are accessing the portal. If you can't access the portal, reach out to Mr. Johnson, Ms. Jacobs, Mrs. Gruber. They provide the information that you may need, right? If you can't access the portal, make sure you're doing some form of work during this time, whether it's a crossword, reading a book, a puzzle, a word search. Keep them gears turning so when we get back in the classroom, we're not lost, right? You guys stay safe, man. We love you all. We miss you all. And, of course, I go 0 to 100 real quick.
Good morning, kings and queens. Miss Smith here, sending my love. I miss y'all so much. Quarantine really had me in my bag, and it still got me in my bag. Y'all know I tried to write a whole song with all 100 of y'all names and thought it was about to be lit. I started writing it. I was like, nah, I can't finish this joint. I need Lige, Rob, Brill, Jaheim, Tristan to help me with a verse or something, make it flow, because it sounds bad. Then I was like, all right, maybe if I just put it to a beat, it'll sound better. Then I was like, nah, because Alejandro, Eden, and Tashawn gonna grind me up. It wasn't working. Then I was like, all right, if I just make a dance, it'd be cool. But then I was like, this joint boring. I need Sarah, Britt, Myra, Lee, Naya, Maya, Deshaya, Sabria, Janice. I need all my girls to hype me up. Anai, Troy. I'm like, I need all my girls because this ain't working either. Then I was like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna just send a regular video. Then I got frustrated. First person I thought of was Mark White, catching attitudes. I was like, all right, I'm gonna just wait. Then I was like, Miss, where's Zion and Kyra asking me to go to the bathroom 1,000,001 times? And Drayshon is sincere? Oh my goodness. Whatever the case may be is, I miss my babies. There's too many to name. However, I hope that you all are healthy, that you're doing well, you're doing your homework and your research, and reading a book. But, yes, we gotta hurry up and get back. Corona gotta go because I'm like falling behind on the latest music, latest TikToks. I just, you know, y'all know I'm an old lady. We gotta get this thing right. But I love y'all. Have a good day.
When we get back, pray for our street, pass the class. Yeah.
What's up, family? What's up, students? What's up to my daughters, to my nephews? Hope everything is good with y'all. Pray that everything is well with y'all families, with your moms, your grandmoms. Just remain faithful that we can get back into the school. Y'all can finish out the school year. It's kind of saddened that graduation and all the other fun activities is not taking place or possibly may not take place. But let's just stay hopeful, and I wish y'all well. Miss y'all again. Have a good afternoon and have a good evening.
Baby, come give me something new. What's up, EMYA students? This is Mr. Slow reporting live. You know, I just want to come on here, spread love, you know, bring that positivity that I always bring. You already know, don't nothing change. You feel me? But seriously though, on a serious note, I hope everybody's okay. I hope everybody's doing well. I want you to take this time, spend it with your family, you know. Students though, I also want you to like appreciate every little thing. You know, every little thing matters. And I want y'all to read a book on your vacation. I don't want to say vacation, but on your little break, I want you to read a book. Or even if you don't read a book, at least start writing stuff down. Write down your feelings. Write about what you want in life and how's what's happening currently with the coronavirus epidemic. How has that changed your simple freedom? Like elevate your mind. Don't just sit around. And as always, you have to do work before you play. So even though you're at home, make sure you're still doing work so you stay motivated. So when you come back, it don't take you a while to get back into the swing of things. I miss y'all. I miss all of y'all. I love y'all. And you know when we get back is on. So I hope y'all ready to learn. I hope y'all practicing y'all dance move. And let's get it. And remember, I can't leave without telling y'all to continue to trap the right way. That's take risks and apply pressure. Once again, take risks and apply pressure the right way. I see y'all soon. Mr. Slow checking out. Love y'all.